Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2347th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, remember the risk behind this game. Please, please know. Always put your stops in first. Today we lost in S&P and crude oil. Thank God we have stops, but that's what happened. Please be careful. No matter who you are, no matter what you know, your stops can be hit. Make sure you put them in. All right, so for trading on December 7th, Tuesday, 2021, Eureka! Omni gives us a green signal finally and a chance to go in and buy this thing, and that's what I've been waiting for. And if you ask me, it's Omni time. Look at the bounce off the Omni average, the nice rally today on Monday. I've got a buy signal for Omni to get long, and we will do that for the E-mini S&P for trading on Jan 7th, 2021. We will be buying the dip, so come on down to livewithoscar.com. Hang out in my free live trading room. I will show you what we're doing and see if I can help you out. And Omni campers, congratulations. This is all week. You will be here soon. Listen, I'll send you out an email either this afternoon or by tomorrow with specific details. But don't worry, I've got you covered. All you need to do is show up. Remember, kids, we're learning how to be Wall Street warriors, so we don't show up to Vegas in shorts and flip-flops. We wear jeans or pants, slacks, you know what I mean? We dress like we're for Wall Street. We act like we're warriors from Wall Street, and I will teach you how to be warriors from Wall Street this weekend for OmniCamp. I will see you all soon. The rest of you traders, thank you for tuning in. I'm sorry about today's bad trades, but I don't expect to lose tonight into tomorrow. So Tuesday, I expect to be a winner. With every trade, I expect to win, though. Let's make sure we know that. I will see you at livewithoscar.com. Good luck trading out there. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thanks for tuning in. I will see you at livewithoscar.com.